Okay, so next exercise we're gonna work our shoulders. We're gonna do dumbbells. So I'm gonna go mid to lightweight dumbbells. Gonna extend our arms up and go like this. Straight up. See how I was even? And come back down. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Let's 8, 9, 10. So all we're gonna do is extend up. Same thing again. We're gonna do 3 sets of 10. Let me show you. Here we go. What we're gonna do is go straight up like this. Weights touch. Come back down. 8, 9, 10. Right. So you get 1 set out the way. You got 2 more to do. Right, so those are some simple exercises to work your traps, your shoulders, whether you're at home or you're at the gym. I appreciate y'all watching. See y'all tomorrow for chest and back. All right. See y'all next workout.